Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy guide on how to link or connect PayPal to Payhip. I'll say it's a simple and a straightforward guide on how to link or connect PayPal to your Payhip. So to get started, the first thing to do is to go to your browser, then sign into your Payhip account through www.payhip.com, or if you have the mobile app on your phone, just log in through the mobile app using your account credentials. Then click the account at the top right, then select settings. So in the left hand menu, choose the payment details, and under the PayPal section, click connect PayPal, and a new window will open. So log into your PayPal account and authorize Payhip to accept payment. So once connected, you will see a confirmation at your PayPal account is now linked. And here's a quick important tips: make sure your PayPal account is fully set up and verified to receive payment. And that's it. Find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.